So welcome to my next video, and I want to answer one question. Somebody asked me on my video, asking me how am I going to be consistent with creating daily videos. I don't have the answer for that. Trust me, I don't. But what I'm going to do is I am going to record my videos regularly, whatever it is that I feel like is on top of my mind, especially if I have ideas, multiple ideas in one day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record those videos in batches. So, like today, I had three video ideas and I just recorded them. I just allowed myself to be able to share different types of topic at different type of segments instead of me having to have a long 20 minutes, 30 minutes video. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to record all my videos in batches and then I'm going to schedule it onto YouTube for it to be delivered on a daily basis. And then if I have something new to share, then I will probably do a story or I will do a reel and share those thoughts as well. I believe that momentum is key. And what I've noticed with the way I create a video, or now that I've started to create video, is things are just flowing, especially when I started to love my voice, realize that, have this belief that I don't have to overly script myself. I don't have this belief around I'm not good enough. And nowadays, I just record on the fly. I don't even have to go check out topics on YouTube. What is the best topic or what is the videos that are making more money or getting more reels or getting more views. I'm not, getting busy with that anymore. I just figure out, ask myself in the morning, what is it that I want to share? What is it that you, creator, have me to share to my own people? And then when it comes, I just get dressed that morning and I just record. One thing that I've started to do at the beginning of this year is I started to get ready in the morning because I'm somebody that works from home most of the time. So, and because of that, I would just wake up, brush my teeth, and just roll over onto my computer and just start to work. I used to have my office in my bedroom before, but now I've moved it to the spare room. So I have an office now. And this year I decided to dress up as somebody that is making multiple six-figure a month. So every morning I would get ready, get dressed, I will have my makeup on, which doesn't take so long, to be honest, around 10 minutes, I'm done. And then I'm down in my office working, creating content, engaging with my audience, doing my coaching and doing my webinars because I do webinars online for clients, for corporate clients as well. Or sometimes I have to go into the offices as well. So I try to get busy for that. So instead of me waiting for it to be the day that I'm having an event or a day that I'm doing a coaching with my client for me to get ready, I wake up with the mindset of me making buck, right? So when I have that, I notice that when I get ready in the morning, I have ideas popping. So as soon as the ideas are popping, I just land right there in my living room, sometimes in my office. I just record the content in batches and I just edit it. I don't really do a lot of editing, to be honest. I just put it on the CapCut. I put it on CapCut. And then I just like to tweak the lighting a bit because the lighting in my living room is not as bright. And I just tweak out the lighting a bit. I have a template that I put on it or filter that I like to put on it. I put it on it and then I just have it posted on YouTube. I don't really do much because I really don't want this journey with daily recording or daily posting to be tedious. I just want it to be quick because I believe that people are looking for more realness. I mean, as I said earlier, people can get the tips of building a YouTube channel. I don't even know how to build a YouTube channel myself. I'm recording this with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, right? And I know my kids always say this is dated because they have the 17. I'm recording this with my iPhone. I don't have a camera. I put it on cinema and then I have my light right in front of me. And I'm just going to post this 4K video on YouTube until I'm able to monetize my account and then I get a camera because that's my goal. So I'm just really using the basics and how to record on your iPhone. You can get that on YouTube. So just Google it. There's so many people on there that will teach you how to record on YouTube. People are even using an app called Magic Black or Black Magic. They're using that app right now to record, but I don't have any space on my phone. So I'm not being able to record with the Black Magic, but I'm hoping that I upgrade in the next coming, hopefully some months, I don't know when, to record, to upgrade to iPhone 17 because I heard that that's one of the best. So just to answer your question is if you're going to record daily videos, if you're good at a specific topic, then just share content on that. For me, my topic, I'm good at perimenopause, but I don't want to talk about perimenopause all day long. I am multifaceted. I love cooking. I love traveling. I love exercising. I love beauty. I love lots of things. I love talking about business. I love talking about making money. So I wanted to diversify my topic. And the women that I'm looking to target are women that are really doing amazingly in their world. I mean, maybe they have a successful 6-figure, 7-figure business, or they're women CEOs, or they're founders, or they're executive. They're working in corporate and they're doing well. But they're also looking for an outlet to do something different. They're the ones that I'm targeting. People that are really multifaceted and they're just looking for something else. Instead of them binge watching Netflix, they want to see someone else doing something brilliant that would inspire them to take that bold step in their lives as well. So those are the people that I'm targeting with this particular content. So it's storytelling based. I'm just kind of rambling on here and there, but I'm always there to give value for sure, but for the right people. So you need to know the type of audience that you're creating content for. Are you trying to educate? Are you trying to inspire? Are you trying to entertain? Are you trying to empower? What is it that you want to? And then focus on that. If you're brilliant with a specific topic and you have like hundreds of ideas in your brain that you want to share on, then go ahead and share daily contents on that. But if you're just like me that just want to be able to create long form content, then we are looking to build like a TV channel that people can binge watch. I'm somebody, I remember last year, anytime I wake up in the morning, I come downstairs and I put it on the morning show. I'll put it on the morning show. I have Lauren, I have Good Morning something, and I watch that for about 4 hours. And they're literally just repeating the same thing. But I just love watching it because it kind of connects me to the UK, even though I'm not there. This year I decided not to do it because it's just a waste of my time putting 4 hours on that. So, but I love to watch it. Not that their topic was super interesting, but I just love to hear it. So my channel is just better than that, by the way. It's a TV channel where I'm sharing my experiences, my journey. Maybe I have some experiences with client, of course, with disclosure. I've been signed, and then I will share the experiences. I won't mention name for sure. Maybe I had a question from a client or a question on my YouTube channel. I'll do a video on that. Maybe I had a dialogue with a few friends of mine. Then I would share some topics on that. Maybe I have some educational tips. I'll share something on that. Maybe I'm sharing my experience about my dating experience. I'll put it on the channel as well. My money making experiences, how I'm growing my business, how I'm creating passive income, or whatever that is, or even how I'm messing up my failures. Sometimes I just want to, just not brain dump, but I just want to have an outlet to be able to share that. Then I can put it on this platform as well. Because I believe that there's always a nugget in whatever it is that I share. There's always something there for you to learn, especially people that want to follow me. So think about your topic. Think about your own the themes that you want to talk about. Think about the formats that you want to share: educational, inspirational, entertainment, empowering. Think about what that is, and then when you're done that, and then create content on it. Create content on it and be very consistent. And I feel like if you're brilliant at what you're doing, it might be easier for you to. I think it will be easier for you to create content on it, especially if you've decided not to script it. Because when you start to script and then when you start to over edit, then it will be overwhelming. That's why I wasn't able to create content, because I was always over scripting, over editing, and things like that. Then now that I'm just going off the cuff and just creating content this way, it's a lot easier. So I hope this is inspiring for you. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll record more video on this. So see you in my next video.